Greetings, mathematicians. Today we're doing example 4C. We have these three fractions. The first fraction, x denominator, cannot be factored further. X plus 3 cannot be factored further. X squared plus 3x can be factored further. So I'm going to write the three fractions over here. 2 over x plus x over x plus 3 minus 3. We don't care about factoring the numerator yet. We'll do that at the very end, actually, after adding and subtracting numerators. But x squared plus 3x factors to x times x plus 3. And that's it, because x times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x. So now we need to identify our LCD. Our LCD is the product of the unique factors. X is a factor here, and it here. It only shows up to the first power. It shows up to the first power in the LCD. X plus 3 is a unique factor here and here in the second and third fraction. So times x plus 3. The third fraction is the LCD, x times x plus 3. So we are done finding our LCD. Let's focus a little bit better there. Let's see. Okay. Well, let's see if it focuses. There it goes. Okay, so now we are going to write our first fraction, 2 over x times the ratio of, x plus 3 over x plus 3. So x plus 3 over x plus 3, and then that's going to be a plus sign for the next fraction of x divided by x plus 3 times the ratio of x over x. Because x plus 3 times x gives us our LCD, just like x times x plus 3 gives us our LCD. And then minus sign for the next fraction, and the next fraction is going to be just exactly as it is, because it already has the LCD. So 3x plus 18, all divided by x times x plus 3. So now, for this problem, we can pretty much go ahead and go straight into writing what's supposed to be in the numerator. So 2 times x plus 3, make sure you distribute 2x plus 6. So that's going to go in the numerator, 2x plus 6. And I'm going to add to that, over here, x times x, I'm going to add to that x squared. And then I'm going to subtract this 3x plus 18. But whenever I subtract, I want to put that in parentheses, 3x plus 18. Because all of that is going to go over our LCD of x times x plus 3. And now, actually, I'm going to rewrite this part over here because it's really minus 3 minus 18. So this is 2x plus 6 plus x squared minus 3x minus 18. All of that gets written over x times x plus 3. And now we can combine our like terms. So we have, let's see here, let's take a look, 2x and minus 3x gives us negative x. Let's see, so let's write negative x. We also have, that's actually, we needed to do the x squared term first. That's what we should have had. So I'm going to cross that out real fast. We should start with the highest degree exponent. So x squared followed by minus x. And then we have these two numbers, plus 6 minus 18, so that's minus 12. All of that gets divided by x times x plus 3. And the numerator can be factored further. It's easy algebra 1, factorable quadratic, AC method, where the a value is 1, which means two numbers that multiply to give you negative 12, but when you add them, give you negative 1. That's going to be positive 3 and negative 4. So that's going to be written as x minus 4 times x plus 3, factoring the numerator. And the denominator is already factored with our LCD, x times x plus 3. The x plus 3 in the numerator divided by the x plus 3 in the denominator simplifies to 1 over 1. And our final answer is x minus 4 divided by x. Since x minus 4 is the only factor that remains, then it is not required to be in parentheses. But that is the final answer there. And if you're wondering what about these x's cannot simplify. X is the factor. X minus 4 is the factor over here in the numerator. They have to be identical factors in order to simplify. So this is your final answer for example C.